Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make tables in Webflow. First, understand that Webflow doesn't offer a native table element, so we'll build one using div blocks and CSS grid. This method gives you total control over the design and ensures your tables are fully responsive across all devices. It's a powerful way to present structured data beautifully. To start, drag a div block onto your canvas. This will be your main table container. Inside this, add 2 more div blocks, one for your table header and another for the table body. Within the body div block, you'll then add individual div blocks for each row. This structured approach keeps your table organized and easy to manage. Now, select your header and body div blocks and apply CSS grid. This is where the magic happens. You can define your column widths, perhaps using percentages like 25% or fixed pixel values, and set row heights. Don't forget to add some padding to your cell div blocks and perhaps a 1-pixel border to create that classic table look. Finally, fill your table cells with the actual content, whether it's text, images, or even other components. To make your table responsive, use Webflow's breakpoint settings to adjust column layouts or stack elements on smaller screens. This ensures a great user experience on any device. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.